In this video, I am going to show you first what we're going to expect with the severe weather from tonight through Thursday, and later about the possible severe weather outbreak next week, or rather by the 10th to 11th time frame. First, let's take a look at what's going on now. So we have some storms in the San Antonio and Austin areas, and here we got one warning here, one warning here, and one warning here. Some of these could be hail and damaging wind producers, and we also got a flash flood warning here because of heavy rain. We also have one warning in here, and we have a couple of storms in here too. This is a warning, and this big storm, this one might be getting us a warning too. Let's take a look at the outlook for tonight. My outlook for tonight. So here we're looking at severe weather for practically all of South Texas, except extreme South Texas. All of these areas, and this area in here could see a few more tornadoes than the other areas. I'll be putting out the torch safe values a little later, and this could be also seeing some very large hail in this area right along the Mexico border, along the Rio Grande Valley. Some strong storms in here, the extreme South Texas, and a scattered rumbles of thunder more north and east. And for Wednesday, we have again South Texas and extreme southwest Louisiana, maybe like Charles area, with the severe weather. Some strong storms a little bit more north and as far east as Mobile, Alabama, and scattered rumbles of thunder and a few thunderstorms with lightning all the way to Memphis and into Alabama, Birmingham, Montgomery, perhaps. For Thursday, that's when the severe weather fires a little bit. So I think that starting from Louisiana, East Louisiana, to South Mississippi, South Alabama, Florida Panhandle, to South and East and Southeast Georgia, much of Florida, perhaps Southeast Florida, could be seeing severe weather, and some areas could be seeing isolated tornadoes, because we got a lot of moisture streaming here, and we got the jet stream like this. No, not like this. Like this. Yeah, like this, I would say. And then we got the cold front like this, and the warm front in here. So I think we could be seeing some storms, especially this area would be in the night hours. Okay, before I finish this video, I also want to quickly check in to show you an update about what we could see next week with the severe thunderstorms, perhaps a severe weather outbreak, and moderate risk, definitely a moderate risk, I think. So here is the 12Z GFS images. Let's take a look at our 192. So this is for, oh wait, this is nice. For hour 204, which is the 10th. And you see all this precipitation in here. This is a lot. And this is also severe weather because you see here the cold front building up here. It has the warm front stretching into here, and you got a trough here with snow in Nebraska and South Dakota and Iowa. We could be seeing some decent snowfall amounts, maybe several inches. Let's see how much you see. Yeah, several inches. Not out of the question. Not even several inches, perhaps at the most. Maybe at the most half a foot. In the Euro, let's see, for hour 192, Well, now for our 216, you see definitely these areas in severe weather. You got really cold air in here. The trough as far south as North Texas. So you'll be seeing flurries as far south as here, and you see the cold front building up along this line. And it has the warm front somewhere descending like this. So these areas will be the hardest hit. But you can see a moderate risk as far east as this area, where the light orange ends. So you should be weather aware. Of course, it's still a long time out, and as we get closer, I'll be making outlooks for that spot. You should stay weather aware for this. Currently, we have a rainstorm out, and I made an outlook earlier. You see, with the rain totals that I think will happen. You see, we could be seeing 2 to 3 inches in some portions of South Carolina and eastern North Carolina, and much to the northeast. But what I didn't include in this map is that we could be seeing a little bit snow with this too. So let's say when the system will be in here, like, you know, you could be seeing a little bit of a 3 to 6 amount area in here, and 1 to 3 for these areas, coating maybe even here. This is what I think might happen, and not any big snow amounts. And this is, I think, the last snow of the season, because we'll be seeing 70s pretty soon here, and even 80s and even 90s maybe in South Florida. Okay, so I'll be making from time to time video updates and lots of updates on severe weather, since I'll be taking possibly the severe weather expert spot for the site. Currently severe weather tracker, but if I learn a little bit more, I'll be the severe weather expert #1 for this site. So far not a lot more to talk about right now, so have a good evening, and I'll be also, during severe weather days, stay tuned to the Nowcast tab. There are no updates today or tomorrow there, but Thursday we might be having updates in Nowcast, and also towards safe tornado chances, which I'll update in just a few moments. Well, have a good day, and stay tuned to usweatherplus.wordpress.com. Make sure you visit usweatherplus.wordpress.com when viewing this video. Have a good day. Bye.